Congratulations! You have just earned your chance to join a few privileged marketers who can reach the maximum amount of exposure to the offers they are promoting at the click of a button. Struggling with online marketing? Feeling like you could definitely do better? Let me know if any of this rings a bell. Here's the regular way. Creating and promoting classic websites. You investing days, weeks, even months at a time for each site. You spend money on content creation or auto-blogging software. You spend time and money on design works or good-looking themes. You target 3 to 5 fairly high-traffic keywords at a time. In 20% of the cases, you manage to get your site on the first page for your targeted keywords. When that finally happens, there's always the risk of it getting pushed down or even delisted because of whatever new rule Google employs about link building or duplicate content, in the case of autoblogs. Let's be generous and say that half the sites that make it to the first page also stay there for a long time. Now, best case scenario, you're getting a couple hundred targeted visitors to your site. If you're really lucky and really good at creating layouts and spend a lot of time developing the site, 10% of these people will understand what your offer is and click to go to a landing page. Let's be super generous again and say that 5% of those converts into leads or sales. In reality, the number are significantly lower. The result: you just wasted an insane amount of valuable time and resources, and in return, you got this. Or maybe this. This is why most marketers turn away from SEO after the first couple of tries. In contrast, here's our way. Auto-generated cloaked sites. It takes a couple of minutes to complete a site. You target thousands of keywords at a time. You get free, unique content. You start ranking for a large amount of low to medium traffic words within a few days to a week, and for the higher traffic ones to within a couple of weeks. You get an even higher chance of ranking by using our advanced strategies. 100% of the visitors that arrive at your site get sent to the offer you're trying to promote. Design is irrelevant. You get a high conversion rate due to highly targeted keywords. Results? You spent a few minutes on creating a site and got this. This. Or this. Hey, you gotta admit, at this point it's very hard to care about Google making changes or discovering what you're cloaking. And with our constantly updating technology, there's a near impossible chance of that happening. By using our software and the methods, you will literally be holding the keys to your online success. Now let me quickly show you a demo of exactly what the Shapeshifter plugin does for you. Here's how it works. You start with regular WordPress installation. No other plugins required to get started. If you already have a website with content on it, the setup takes 2 seconds. Just choose the page you want to redirect to and enable cloaking. If you started with a brand new blog, no problem. Have the plugin generate the content for you by just setting a few essential options. And a list of keywords we'd like to target. And a list of secondary keywords to spread throughout the content. Now, it also needs some raw, niche-related content to use at a starting point. Don't worry if this sounds confusing. Your job is to click this one button and it's ready to go. What it did there was to go look for related content on various sources and add it to the settings ready to be used. That's just one of the tedious tasks reduced to 1 click and 3 seconds of wait. Now type in some categories. And all done. WordPress Shapeshifter has the ability to drip feed the content to your blog by posting at certain intervals. But for now, let's have it generate a couple of posts on demand just to demonstrate what it does. Now what it's doing is, it's going through the raw content file. By using our algorithm, it randomly selects bits and pieces, spinning them and inserting the targeted keywords and secondary keywords into them, resulting in a unique article generated on the spot. At the same time, it's going to Google Images and YouTube and pick out images and video to complement the content. Now, if you visit your website, the plugin will run your IP against our constantly updated search engine spider's IP list. If it decides you are in fact a human being that's visiting, it'll redirect you straight to the offer we chose earlier. If it detects that it is a search engine that's visiting, that is what it'll show. A legitimate blog filled with unique articles and multimedia content, each post being optimized for a certain keyword. Only part of this content is actually readable. But remember, no human being ever sees this content if you enable cloaking. And that's how you can use WordPress Shapeshifter to turn any regular WordPress blog into one of the most effective marketing tools that ever existed. And we did that with just a few minutes. And that's not even all. The Shapeshifter plugin comes with a lot more features, making it one of a kind. Redirect based on referring keywords or URL. Full control over post structure. The option to cloak based on user agent. Constantly and seamlessly updated IP lists. And many more. And the plugin is only the beginning of what you're getting. In the members area, you also get access to a central control panel that lets you see when the last IP list update took place on the site, easily enable and disable the plugin, and have an eagle-eye view of all your Shapeshifter-enabled sites. Look, we're not just going to give you the software in part ways. With the purchase, you will instantly get access to our exclusive community where you can get support, request new features, learn best practices and new strategies to use with this plugin, interact with other users and SEO and cloaking experts to get your SEO game to another level. With this many features, WordPress Shapeshifter becomes a must-have tool for marketers of all kinds. For Black Hat SEOs, it provides a quick way to generate thousands of keyword-targeted posts that are ready to promote within minutes. It provides a simple way to create super powerful linking networks that can be used to own the first page, listing even the toughest markets. For owners of already successful sites, it offers an easy way to increase the CTR to your offer to 100%. For owners of a long suite of unused domain names, it offers a quick way of filling them with rich content, allowing them to keep increasing their SEO value, even if you forgot about them and never promote. So what are you waiting for? Click the Add to Cart button now and start dominating these SERPs right away. See you on the inside.